Hello stars, welcome back to my channel T-Star Bakings. Today's tutorial is on how to make praline. Yes guys, we are going to be making praline today. Of course we all know praline to be something that has to do with a lot of different nuts, but today's recipe we only have peanuts in here because I only like peanuts. I do what I like. So guys, let's move straight into it. First, of course, we need to toast our sugar. As you see me doing over here, we're toasting this until it's completely melts, guys. If this is your first time on my channel, guys, please do not leave here without subscribing. I would really appreciate that. It really makes my day when I see a new subscriber. So guys, please do that. After your sugar is completely melted and it's this brown, then proceed to add your butter. When your mixture is this ready, you can proceed to add your peanuts or your different type of nuts. It could be your cashew nuts, your almond nuts, or whatever nuts you like, guys, but I am just using peanuts here because I like peanuts only. Immediately you added your nuts, you proceed to add your praline onto your parchment paper and let it rest for 1 hour, but you can allow it to reach 2 hours. Of course, once it has solidified, then it is time to break this into pieces, into the different size you want. I want mine quite crushed, so I crushed it just exactly how I want it. Guys, of course, you can always find the written recipe in the description box down below, so do check that out. And if you enjoy this recipe, please give this video a thumbs up. As you can see, this is the cake I used my praline for, and I also have a recipe on that, so do check my channel for that. See you next time.